just want to thank you on your recent inquiry on the 2019 Sonata Hoover. As you can see, I have one pulled up right here. Let's take a look at it. You have your cascading grille here. You have your daytime running lights here. You have your premium alloy wheels here. And we're going to take a look on the inside. This vehicle comes equipped with premium cloth seats. You have your AM, FM radio. You have your Bluetooth capability. You have your cruise control, your backup camera as well. The best part about this vehicle is the warranty. It comes with the 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty. It has a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. But here at Tameron, we double that to 20 years, 200,000 miles. That's right, 20 years, 200,000 miles. This vehicle also has a lifetime battery warranty as well. So call me, Sierra, 404-992-6582. We're going to love the way you treat it here at Tameron.